to work. Your major question I see is, a work done ill must... Bonus to Angels Rich School.
Pass.
Be done twice. Be done twice. A work done ill must be done twice. Your major question, Angels Rich School. Listen carefully. These proverbs relate to work. Complete it. Business before... Bonus to ICS.
Pleasure.
Pleasure is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Complete this too. ICS, your major question. If a thing is worth doing...
Pass.
Bonus to Angels Rich School.
We're doing well.
It is worth doing well is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Your major question, Angels Ridge. The devil finds work.
Idle minds.
Say that again.
Idle minds.
For the idle mind, for the idle hands to do. Ladies and gentlemen, that answer is right. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Let's now grab our pens and our papers. Let's do some calculations. A fair coin is flipped 4 times. The probability of exactly 3 heads is...
Three out of 8.
3 out of 8 is incorrect. Bonus.
Pass.
The answer is 1 over 4. 1 over 4. In the last but one question for Angels Rich School, the devil finds work for...
Idle hands.
What did you say?
I said idle minds.
Idle minds. That is incorrect. That is incorrect. The answer for that question is for the idle hand to do. Idle hand, not the idle mind. Let's move on. Whose turn is it for a major question? Whose turn is it for a major question? Angels Rich School. Listen carefully. 4 over 5 times 7, 1 over 5 is equal to... The answer is a mixed number. 4 over 5 times 7, 1 over 5 is equal to...
Seven whole number, 4 over 5.
7 whole number, 4 over 5 is incorrect. A bonus to ICS. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, and for those of you watching us at home, is 56, 4 over 25. 56, 4 over 25. Your major question, ICS, listen carefully. If 4 raised to the power x plus 2 is equal to 250, then 4 raised to the power x plus 3 is equal to...
Read the question.
If 4 raised to the power x plus 2 is equal to 250, then 4 raised to the power x plus 3 is equal to... Bonus, Angels Rich School.
Pass.
The answer is... Do you have an answer, although you've been bailed out?
No.
The answer is 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. Major question, Angels Rich School. The number 40 is written in base 6 as... The number 40 is written in base 6 as 10 seconds on the clock. A bonus to ICS.
64 base 6.
64 base 6 is incorrect. The answer is 104. 104. Major question to ICS. 2 angles in a triangle have measures 59 degrees and 42 degrees. And the third angle has a measure of... 2 angles in a triangle have measures 59 degrees and 42 degrees. And the third angle has a measure of...
79 degrees.
79 degrees is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Angels Ridge School, your major question. Your major question, Angels Ridge School. Simplify completely 0.42 in a fraction. Simplify completely 0.42 as a fraction.
21 over 50.
Say that again.
21 over 50.
21 over 15 is incorrect.
Say 50.
Over 50 is incorrect. Bonus to ICS. Angels Ridge School, did you say 15 or 50? 50.
Yes.
The answer is correct. Put your hands together for them. That is correct. Put your hands together for them. Your major question, ICS. Find the value of 1 plus 9 plus 17 plus 25 plus 33 plus 41 plus 49 plus 65 plus 73. 1 plus 9 plus 17 plus 25 plus 33 plus 41 plus 49 plus 57 plus 65 plus 73. 1 plus 9 plus 17 plus 25 plus 33 plus 41 plus 49 plus 57 plus 65 plus 73. Do you have an answer to that? Bonus to Angels Ridge School. The answer is 370. 370. Major question, Angels Ridge School. Find the value of, listen carefully, 149 plus 264 plus 358 plus 492 plus 181 plus 376. 149 plus 264 plus 358 plus 492 plus 181 plus 376. 5 seconds on the clock. A bonus to ICS. Sorry, you've been bailed out. The answer is 1820. 1820. 1820. Please put your hands together. That ends round 2. Put your hands together for the contestants. By the end of the second round, Angels Ridge School has -5 points and ICS Accra has +5 points. Please put your hands together for the contestants. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them.
When you wake up in the morning before you start your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time. For work and for play, for a great start to your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
We always start our day with a nourishing Kellogg's breakfast, powered with the goodness of grains and 11 essential vitamins and minerals. So in our family, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Whenever Princess starts, the neighbors do complain that her voice and the beats are too loud. Who is scared of the voices of tomorrow's superstars?
You special in your way.
It's me, like no other.
No one else can do it like you.
It's me, I can play the drum. I can sing. I can dance.
always be enabled.
You special in your way.
It's me. No others
Can do it like you.
It's me. No others.
Here's to all amazing moms who identify and nurture the uniqueness in our kids.
Indomie instant noodles tastes great. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
We are making a mark in Africa, building leaders and entrepreneurs who would push boundaries to rewrite the African story. Through ethical leadership, innovation, this is Africa. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Academic City. The first 250 new students who register with Academic City this year enjoy up to 50% discount on tuition fee. Visit www.act.edu.gh/admissions to apply now. You are the future. Choose ACT. Make your mark.
Please put your hands together for Obrimpong. Put your hands together for Obrimpong. Obrimpong, join them. You have a change to Angels Race School. No substitution for Angels Race School. Please put your hands together for the contestants as we begin round 3, the STEM round. The questions are posed to both schools. The schools can buzz in at any time while questions are being read for a maximum of 10 points for correct answers and a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. Questions will be read fully and will be passed on immediately to the competing schools for a chance at a bonus. That will be worth 10 points for a right answer and a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. Let's see who we have at ICS, who replaced who, and his expectations.
Obrimpong Aseda Ozufo.
Obrimpong, you're welcome. You're welcome. Let's begin round 3. Both schools, pay attention carefully. You buzz to indicate your readiness to answer the question. Are you ready, contestants? Are you ready, contestants? Yes. Those of you at home, I hope you're ready too. Listen carefully. Many salts and sugars dissolve in this substance. For 10 points each, name the substance with molecular formula H2O who's melting. And Angels Race School?
Water.
Water is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. I would have accepted ice as well. Ice as well. Listen carefully to this question. Pure water is considered to have neutral pH.
7.0.
7.0 is the right answer. Please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. That is the correct answer. Listen carefully to this question. Water is this kind of molecule in which there is an unequal distribution of charges. The oxygen atom has a partial negative charge, while the hydrogens have a partial positive charge. Anybody with an answer? The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is polar. Polar. Let's move on. For 10 points each, name these orders of animals. Name these orders of animals. Name these orders of animals. Squirrels and beavers belong to this order, whose name is more often used as a synonym for mice or rats.
Rodents.
Rodents is right. Listen to this carefully. Humans are in this order.
Primates.
Primates is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. So humans are in this order, whose name indicates a belief in their eliteness. Other members include lemurs and apes. The answer is primates. For 10 points each, name these simple machines. To both schools, this type of simple machine involves rope and a wheel. Several of them together are called a block.
A pulley.
A pulley is the right answer. Put it together for them. Next question. This simple machine can be made by putting two inclined planes together.
A lever.
A
lever.
A lever. A lever is that answer is incorrect. Let's have a bonus. Sorry, if it's a bonus, I cannot repeat the question.
You didn't complete the question.
Right. So this simple machine can be made by putting two inclined planes together and can be used for splitting objects. We can't wait for an answer if you buzz. Sorry, we bailed out. The answer we are waiting for, we're looking for, is a wedge. A wedge. Let's move on. Pay attention. The Krebs cycle found an eukaryotic cell. The Krebs cycle found in eukaryotic cells is often named after this acid. The first one produced, which is common in fruits such as oranges, lemons, and kumquats.
Citrus.
That answer, I am afraid, will be rejected. Contestants, for 10 points each, name these carbohydrates. This 6-carbon sugar is produced as a result of photosynthesis and is used...
Glucose.
Glucose is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Glucose is the right answer. For 10 points each, name these carbohydrates. Table sugar is this disaccharide formed when a molecule of glucose combines with a molecule of fructose. Table sugar is this disaccharide formed when a molecule of glucose combines with a molecule of fructose. Contestant, the answer is sucrose. Sucrose is the right answer. Put your hands together for them, please. Put your hands together for them. And that ends round 3 of the second contest in the semi-final round. Please, let's find out how the scoreboard is looking like from our judges. At the end of round 3, here are your scores. At the end of round 3, Angels Ridge School has 10 points. Put your hands together for them, please. Put your hands together for them. ICS Accra has 40 points. 40 points. Contestants, welcome to the 4th round. Let's now begin round 4.
The Sharks Quiz Round 4 is brought to you by Indomie.
English language, ICS, English language. Angels Ridge School, English language. Please listen carefully. Are you ready, contestants? Are you ready? You buzz to answer. Choose the odd one out. A, contemporary. B, antique. C, ancient. D, dated.
Contemporary.
Contemporary is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Angels Ridge, do we have a problem with your buzzer? Let's try it and see. It works perfectly. Let's try and speed it up a little, all right? Are we okay? Are we okay? Yes. Let's calm ourselves down. Let's calm ourselves down with a lot of energy, and let's do this. Please put your hands together for the contestants. Once again, put your hands together for the contestants. Let's calm ourselves down, and let's do this. In one attempt only, spell the word Artaxerxes. 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 The word is Artaxerxes. Artaxerxes. It means indigenous, native, aboriginal, used especially of floras and faunas. Artaxerxes. Artaxerxes. Contestants. The word is spelled, although we've been bailed out, can you try a spelling?
Artaxerxanus.
The word is spelled Autochthonous. Autochthonous. But the pronunciation was not or, it was Artaxerxes or Artaxerxes. Please put your hands together for the contestants. Let's welcome on stage the representatives for mathematics. Let's have our young mathematicians here. Contestants, are we ready? Let's try your buzzer. That works. Let's try yours too. Great. Are you ready? Mathematics. Get your pens and papers ready. For those of you at home, let's do this. John was born on April 23, 1977. On April 23, 2001, how many weeks old is John? Express your answer to the nearest whole number. Note that 2000 is a leap year. John was born on April 23, 1997. On April 23, 2021, how many weeks old is John? Express your answer to the nearest whole number. Note that 2000 is a leap year. ICS? 200, put your microphone on. It's on, okay. That answer again.
274.
274 is incorrect. We've been bailed out. The answer is 2,296. 2,296. Next question. Are you ready, contestants? Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Listen carefully. What is the sum of the first 10 odd positive composite whole numbers? What is the sum of the first 10 odd positive composite whole numbers? Composite numbers are whole numbers greater than 2 that are not prime. What is the sum of the first 10 odd positive composite numbers? Composite numbers are whole numbers greater than 2 that are not prime. 10 seconds left on the clock.
Odd numbers or even?
What is the sum of the 10 odd positive composite whole numbers? Composite numbers are whole numbers greater than 2 that are not prime. Does any of you have an answer?
No.
The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is 298. 298. Put your hands together for them. Let's welcome on stage our young scientists. Contestants, are you ready? Are you ready? Let's try your buzzers. So, Paul, try your buzzer. That works. Nice. Kendra, let's do this. In science, one part of this organ is the fovea, which lies within the macula. This organ is covered by the sclera and contains vitreous humor. Rods and cones are cells located.
The eye.
The eye is the right answer. The eye is the right answer. Please put your hands together for them. The eye is the right answer. Next question. When blue-green crystals of nickel-2, when blue-green crystals of nickel-2 sulfate are heated, water is produced and a yellow solid remains. When water is added to the yellow solid, the blue-green color returns. What process describes these changes? A. Combustion. B. Corrosion. C. Neutralization. D. Reversible reaction.
Reversible reaction.
Reversible reaction is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. That is the right answer. And let's welcome on stage contestants for general knowledge. General knowledge. Please put your hands together for them. Contestants, you're welcome. Are you ready? Watch the screen and identify the person in the picture, the President of France.
Emmanuel Macron.
Emmanuel Macron is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Watch the clip and state the title of this award-winning Guinean movie.
Beautiful land. But then came the hovering cloud of darkness, the mists of sorrow, and the fog of death. Take it! One shot. One shot. I watched my father die in my own arms. I hear many more would die, Vita. Mombasa's regime has just begun. Someone has got to stop him. Yes! Raju! Yes, that's it! Shoot them!
That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine, please pay attention. I know you want to watch the movie. But does any of you know the answer to that?
No.
Anybody in the audience? Somewhere in Africa is the right answer. Somewhere in Africa. Please put your hands together for the contestants. A round of applause. Put your hands together for them. A round of applause. Somewhere in Africa is the right answer. Let's bring on stage the remaining contestants. And that ends round 4 of the second contest in the Sharks Quiz competition semi-final. Let's find out how the scoreboard is looking like. At the end of round 4, ladies and gentlemen, and those of you watching us at home, contestants, here are scores. Angels Ridge School has 10 points. ICS Accra has 30 points. Please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the second contest of the semi-finals of the Sharks Quiz competition, season 5. And at the end of the contest, here are our scores. Angels Ridge School has 45 points. Round of applause for them. Please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. And ICS Accra has 105 points. Put your hands together. Put your hands together for them. Angels Ridge School, congratulations to all of you. You've done exceptionally well. I do not want any of you to feel down-spirited or downcast. You've done yourselves proud. You've done your schools proud. You should be really proud of yourselves. From the beginning, you got to the semi-finals. I'm sure the next time you could book a place in the finals. Contestants, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Angels Ridge School. Put your hands together for them. ICS International Community School, well done. We'll meet you in the finals between a tight competition. It will be keenly contested between yourselves and Manna International School. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. The journey has not been easy, but you're fought and you're now in the finals. Hopefully, you could be champions or Manna International School will be champions. The best school will win. Ladies and gentlemen, let's acknowledge the sponsors for the Sharks Quiz Competition Season 5. It is proudly brought to you by Kellogg's, Indomie, Fritol, Vivo Energy, Ashesi University, Family Health Medical School, Academic City University College, and Lowest University. Please put your hands together for our sponsors. Put your hands together for our sponsors. Put your hands together for our sponsors. Okay, my name is Noble Crosby Annan. We'll see you some other time. Bye-bye.